Hi there. I know a lot of you already watched yung percentage videos I already posted. If you haven't seen those, you can click sa taas. If you're watching this from YouTube, there should be a card popping up with the link to the entire playlist. This one is just an explainer for the percentage question set 1 that I posted on teamlyqa.com. So if you are not yet part of Team Lyqa on Facebook, you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlyqa. Every day at 12:01, I post a new question or a set of questions that you can practice on, parang just to get you ready for the exam. I posted this a few days ago and I just want to show you kung paano siya i-solve ulit kasi I know a lot of you are still having a hard time with the percentages. So, I'll demonstrate to you kung paano siya i-solve. Alright? So, let me just get my pen ready right here. Okay, so, ang question is, what is 35% of 160, 75% ng 160, 61% of 160, 22% of 160, and 38% of 160? So, kung tutuusin, actually, this question, parang medyo matagal siya kasi 5 na siya na sunod-sunod. But the reason why I posted sets instead of just one question sa percentage kasi I really want you to get a hang of the technique. Okay? So, again, ang technique dyan, if you are using the traditional method would be lahat ng off, gagawin nyo siyang times. So, ang hinahanap is 0.35 times 160, 0.75 times 160, 0.61 times 160, or 0.22 times 160, and 0.38 times 160. So, again, you can solve it ng long cut. Gusto nyo i-multiply, okay lang din sa akin. Pero, this is how I do it, okay? So, let's start out with the first one. Sabi, 35% ng 160. So, ang gagawin nyo lang would be this, okay? Yung 35, kung i-breakdown ko siya ng yung number of things na pwede maging sum niya, I can do 25% and 10, right? Kasi 25 plus 10 is 35, so 35% ito. Okay? Bakit ko siya sinus na ganun? Kasi ang 25% is just 1/4 ng 160. So, ang 160 divided by 4, madali lang kasi pareho naman siyang, madali naman to i-mental. So, this is just 40. So, ang 25% is 40, tapos meron kang 10%, at ang 10% is just 160, i-move mo yung decimal place one step to the left. So, that is just 16. So, 40 plus 16. So, the answer would be 56. So, ibig sabihin, ang 35% ng 160, this is 56. Okay? So, again, dito naman tayo sa 75%. Okay? You can do this a number of ways. Pwedeng gawin ninyong 50% plus 25%. Okay? So, ang 50% ay kalahati. 160 divided by 2. Madali lang naman yan. So, that is 80, right? So, you have 80 plus yung 25%, nasagot na natin kanina, which is 40. So, 80 plus 40, the answer is 120. So, this one is 120. 61%. Okay? 61%, pwede mo i-divide yung 61 para maging mabuo siya. You can do 50%, 10%, and then 1%. Right? Kasi 50 plus 10 plus 1 is 61. Okay? So, 50% sabi natin is 80. 10% is still easy kasi nga, again, i-move mo lang yung decimal place. And dito, nagawa na natin yung kanina. Lumabas 16. So, you have 16. And then, you have 1%. Ngayon, ang 1% is just one decimal place away from 10. Ibig sabihin, kung 1.6, 16 ang 10, i-move mo lang siya one decimal place pa left, magiging 1.6. So, the answer sa 61% is all of these combined. So, you have 0.6, 7, and then 9. So, the answer should be 97.6. Okay? So, lipat tayo sa 22. So, you can, again, do this a number of ways. Pwede nyo gawing 20 and 2. So, i-divide mo lang sa 5 yung 160. Or, pwede mo rin gawing 10, 10, and then 1, 1. Okay? So, kung 20 and 2 ang gagawin ninyo, you can divide 160. Okay, 160 divided by 5, which is 5, 10, 15, 3. And then you have 10, 2. So, 32 times 5 is 160. Again, if you are good with your numbers, kahit nga i-mental nyo, makukuha nyo na yan. So, ang 20% is 32. Tapos, meron kang 2%. Ngayon, same concept dun sa 10 at saka 1 is just 1 decimal place away, right? So, pwede mo i-move yung decimal place ng isang step, yung 32, magiging 3.2, okay? Para lumabas yung 2%. So, 3.2, you can do it na 35.2. Yun yung 22%. Again, kung 10, 10, 1, 1, same naman ang lalabas kung yun ang isosolve mo. You have 10, ang 10 ay 16, 16, 1.6, 1.6, and still this would be 35.2. Pareho lang din. Okay? So, yung 38%, okay. So, yung 38%, you can do it pwede kang 25. Okay, you have 25. Wait, hold on, nagka-problema yung aking sensor. So, you have 25, and then you have, you can use 10 para maging 35 siya, and then 1, 1, 1. So, 25 na pag-usapan natin is 40, and then 10 is 16, 1 is 1.6, 1.6, 1.6, so you have 6, 12, 18, 0.8, and then carry mo yung isa, 7, 8, 9, 10, so 0, 1, and then so you have 60.8. So 60.8 yung 38%. Alright? So I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, please click thumbs up. If I get enough na thumbs up, ibig sabihin gusto nyo ng mga ganitong explainer videos para dun sa mga questions that I post. Pag lunch, I'll make more. So if say I get enough na thumbs up, mga siguro mga around 50 to 100 this week, I'm going to make another video for percentage set 2. Alright guys, so happy learning, and again, if you click here sa left, the right side, you can click here to subscribe to this channel. That way, you would know as soon as a new video posts, and you can click on the left to catch up doon sa lahat ng videos dito sa baba, or if you want to watch just the ones for percentage, you can click doon sa taas. Thanks and God bless guys, and asya kaya niyo yan.